Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix can't create account of WeChat in our phone. Now, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just go to settings in your phone, and from there, go to apps. Now, find WeChat. Go there. Now, in order to fix can't create account in WeChat, what we need to do is click on storage and do clear cache, and also just click on force stop button right there and give creating account one more try. You probably will be able to successfully create a WeChat account. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding fixing can't create account in WeChat, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.